Dear students, let us begin a new day by asking the blessing from the Almighty. Today, let us begin chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. You can see here, chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. And please take page number 113. Page number 113. Okay? Page number 113, triangle and its properties. First of all, we will discuss about a triangle. So here you can see triangle ABC. And triangle ABC, what is triangle? It is a triangle is a closed figure of triangle is a, what is the definition? Triangle is a closed figure of three lines. Closed figure of three lines. AB, BC and C. And it has three sides. And which are the three sides? There are three sides. One is number one AB, number two BC, number one AB, number two BC, number three and CA. These are the three sides. And it has three angles. There are three angles. Which are the three angles? Angle A. So you can say angle BAC. Angles BAC. Then second one is angle B. That is angle ABC. And the third one is angle C. That is angle BCA. Angle BCA. So now also the angle has three vertices. Which are the three vertices? Three vertices are there. Number one, vertices means ये दोनों साइड यहाँ जो join हो रहा है, ये जो particular point को vertices बोल रहे हैं, vertex बोल रहे हैं, तो तीनों साथ में vertices बोल रहे हैं, plural form. So three vertices. So point A, second one is B, and third one is C. So this is the first important point. A triangle has three sides A, B, B, C, C, A, and three angles, angle BAC, angle ABC, and angle BCA, and three vertices. Vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. So, and this is all about the general idea about the triangles. Okay? Triangles. Then moving to the next page, page number 114. Page number 114. Page number 130 start here. Now 130. What is that? 113. Medians of a triangle. What is that? Medians of a triangle. Medians of a triangle. What is median? Medians of a triangle. The definition is given. What is that? The line segment AD joining the midpoint. Medians of a triangle. The definition here it is given. If you want to see the clear definition, you can see on page number the median. The line segment joining vertex of a triangle. Page number 131. 131 में ये definition दिया हुआ है. A line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint. Line segment. What is median? Look at here. Triangle ABC. Okay, now you can select one point in the midpoint of BC. So you can select this is the midpoint D. So if you join this, now here AD, the line segment AD is called the median of the triangle. So what is the definition? The line segment joining from any vertex. Line segment joining joining the midpoint of the opposite side from any vertex. That is. So definition here it is also there. The line segment AD joining the midpoint of BC to the opposite vertex is called the median. And here also on page number 114 also is there, or 131. And what we have discussed there is the second point. The point number 2. The line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite called the median of the triangle. So you can write the definition. Definition is very important. Okay, so AD is the, and who is the median? AD is the median of the triangle. And second, next point there, what is next? On page number 115. Page number 115. Altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle. Here another its definition also here on page number 131. The perpendicular point number 3. The perpendicular line segment from any vertex to a triangle to the opposite side. The perpendicular line segment from any vertex to the opposite side. So we will think about different types of triangle. One is acute angle triangle ABC. Yes. And second one is right angle triangle ABC. And third one is obtuse angle there. Third one is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle there. Third one is obtuse angle triangle ABC. Okay. ABC. Obtuse angle. Altitude means from any vertex to the perpendicular to the opposite side. This is perpendicular 90 degree on AD. And here right angle triangle is also perpendicular. So you can write B equal to D. And here altitude will come if you can extend this line from here and you can extend from here this vertex. So this will be the point. This is AD. So acute angle D is between B and C, and right angle triangle B and D are equal, and the obtuse angle triangle the point D is outside BC. So that is altitude. The definition is the line segment joining to the perpendicular to the opposite side from any vertex. And the clear definition is given on page number 131. 131 में आप देखिए वहाँ third point, that is the definition. The line perpendicular line segment from any vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called a altitude of the triangle. Okay, please write down. So second point and the third point also very important. Okay. Now the next point is on page number 116. Page number 116. So now we need to remove these things. Okay, I hope you can write the definition from your textbook on page number 130. So now here what is the next one is page number 116. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior of a triangle and its properties. Exterior angle of a triangle and its properties. Look at here, what is exterior angle? Now look at here, triangle ABC, and you can extend this BC, you can select one point. So you can see three angles, one, angle number 2, angle number 3, angle number 4. Now this angle ACD is called exterior angle. Angle ACD is called the exterior angle. Angle ACD is called the exterior angle. And also the property. What is the property? The property is angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 4. That means जो exterior angle है इनका मेजरमेंट जो opposite interior angle में कौन आएगा? angle 1 and 2 आएगा. ठीक है, 3 तो इधर ही है, इसका पड़ोसी है. ये तो linear pair है. ऑपोजिट एंगल में 1 and 3 आएगा. अगर आप 1 और एंगल 1 और 2 प्लस करेंगे तो आपका मेजरमेंट कितना आएगा? 4 आएगा. सो दीस टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल. एंगल 1, एंगल 2 ये दोनों मिलकर कितना सामने होगा? 4 का सामने होगा. सो दिस इज वेरी important property. Okay, so these all are the this is all about exterior angle and its property. And using this, and also please complete example 1 on page number 118. This is a 2-mark question. How to find out the exterior of an angle? Example 1. Using this property. How to find out this value of an exterior angle or unknown value. Look at here. Example 1. Page number 118. Page number 118. Example 1. Okay, look at here this figure. देखिए वहाँ एक फिगर दिया है. ठीक है, टेक्स्ट बुक में फिगर दिया, सर ऐसे बना रहा ये फिगर कैसे भी बनाओ, अच्छी लाइन का मेजरमेंट आपको लिखना है. जो टेक्स्ट बुक वाला फिगर सर बना रहा है, फिगर दिया. ठीक है, यहाँ दिया 110 और यहाँ दिया है 50 दिया और आपको इधर दिया x ढूंढने का. x कैसे ढूंढ लेगा? तो ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज करने का. तो क्या करने का? we know that शॉर्ट में लिख दिया WAP. we know that 50 plus x equal to 110. क्योंकि इन जीरो ऑपोजिट एंगल 50 है और x है, ये दोनों प्लस करेगा तो बाहर का एंगल मिलेगा. और इसमें से आपको एक्स्ट्रा ढूंढना है तो 110, जो 50 लेफ्ट साइड में है तो राइट साइड में जाएगा तो -50 हो जाएगा, तो आपका आंसर आएगा 60. So x equal to 60. This very important question, 2 mark question. So please complete it. Okay then. So that's all about triangle and its properties. This first class, and we'll see the more about these triangles and its properties in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.